Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be transforming this bed, where our client wanted us to do 3 things on this bed. That is, change the color, change the design of the bed, and reduce the height of the headboard. And that is what we are going to be doing in this video today. So make sure you stay till the end of the video so that you can fully understand and see all the materials, tools and steps we did follow while making the bed. So normally the first thing we do is disassembling the bed and start doing the needed transformation. Anyway, if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel All Things With Us. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So as I've said earlier, we started by disassembling the bed. So we are going to be removing almost everything on this bed and start the transformation. So the tools that you need to do this transformation: you need scissors, a pair of scissors, you need a hammer, nails, you also need some contact glue, fabric, foam, you also need some staple gun, staple pins, and the rest you'll just see as the video goes by. So we started by disassembling everything and we started the transformation. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand everything that I did during the transformation. That is, if you want to try something like this at home or on your own. And if you have any question, just comment down below and I will get back to you, and I will see you in my next videos.